How to draw birds of the passerine order. If you're an artist or just someone who loves birds, drawing passerines can be a fun and rewarding experience. Let's break down the steps to help you create an accurate and beautiful drawing of these birds. First, let's talk about the overall size and shape. Passerines are generally smaller than other types of birds, so keep that in mind when you're sketching them. They usually have a compact body, which is perfect for perching on branches. Now let's focus on their feet. Passerines have a unique foot arrangement known as an isodactyl, which means they have 3 toes pointing forward and 1 toe pointing backward. This arrangement is ideal for perching on vertical surfaces like trees and cliffs. Their toes are long and thin, with sharp curved claws that help them grip tightly onto branches. When drawing the feet, make sure to depict the toes as separate and unwebbed. The hind toe should be at the same level as the front toes, and the claws should be sharp and curved. Next, let's move on to the beak. The shape and size of a bird's beak can vary greatly depending on the species, but for passerines, the beak is usually small to medium-sized and can be conical or slightly pointed. For example, sparrows have short, stout beaks, while warblers have longer, more pointed ones. To draw the beak, start with a circle that's roughly the size of the head, then add a line from the circle to the tip of the beak. Refine the shape by adding the head and ensuring the beak is proportional to the rest of the face. The feathers are another crucial aspect. Passerines have a variety of feather patterns and colors, but they generally develop 12 tail feathers. The feathers can be stiff, especially in the tail, which helps them balance while perching. When drawing the feathers, pay attention to the molt patterns. Passerines go through several molts, starting with the pre-juvenile molt, where they get their first real feathers. This process can be complex, but it's essential to capture the different stages of feather development accurately. For the body, remember that passerines have a fused spine, which means their chest and hips work as one unit. This allows their wings to support the whole body rigidly. When sketching the body, you can merge the chest and hips or draw them separately, but keep in mind there won't be much movement in the spine between them. Finally, let's talk about the wings. Passerines typically have 9 or 10 primary feathers, which are the largest feathers on the wing and crucial for flight. When drawing the wings, focus on the primaries and ensure they are proportional to the rest of the bird. Juvenile passerines often have different wing characteristics than adults, such as wing bars that may not be present in adults. By paying attention to these details, the unique foot arrangement, the shape and size of the beak, the feather patterns, the body structure, and the wing characteristics, you'll be able to draw passerines that are both accurate and visually appealing. Happy drawing!